I'm a triple Husky. I have a BS, MS, and PhD in industrial engineering. I really loved biology. So I thought, well, maybe I'll be like a biomedical engineer. So that journey really got changed by co-op. A couple of the interviews I went to were more mechanical engineering based. After just talking with them about what the work was and stuff, I was like, this stuff actually doesn't really fit me that well. So then the co-op advisor said, well, have you considered industrial engineering? And I said, no, I don't really know what that is really, but he said, well, there's one at Mass General Hospital, which I loved this idea that maybe like the medical and engineering, so how would that work and stuff. And I went to the interview. I just loved what they described. As soon as I interviewed and took that job, it transformed my whole path. It changed my major, what I was interested in, and all the future co-op I did. Transformed everything. So the first place I worked with was for Mass General Hospital, and it was more like management engineering. Then I decided to try something a little different, and I went to work for Raytheon. So then I went to Tektronix, which is out in Oregon, and this was where industrial engineers were a team, almost internal consultants. I saw the opportunity to finish my master's fairly quickly and say, okay, I'm gonna finish my master's and I'm gonna go out and work. When I circled back around, came to Northeastern and thought about a PhD, my application had those great grades, that great work experience, both as a co-op and as afterwards in industry. That made a pretty powerful PhD application. Then to have this opportunity once I was there to say, well, am I able to teach this field too? Well, maybe I could try teaching and I could see what that looked like. So I said, well, how about in first year engineering? At the end of the day, doing well at that job, both first year and industrial engineering, enabled me to look at, well, maybe I would like to look at the entire undergraduate education. And that's where the Associate Dean undergrad came in, to really have an impact for undergraduate students. That's my co-op Husky tale. What's yours?